if you get that wrong, the trunk's going to leak. We also like to test fit the trim around the windows. These GTOs have that buttress style treatment on both sides of the rear window, which of course rusts out on all of them, especially if it had a vinyl top. And the new quarter panels, of course, have that feature, but if you put them together and something isn't exactly right, your window trim and your glass might not even fit. So the metal work was done for the most part, but we wanted to make sure that all of the door gaps were symmetrical, that they're consistent, that they're nice and tight, but they have enough room to where the panels can open and close without, rubbing into each other.